Alrighty, hey everyone, this is Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. And here in front of me we do have the 2019 Toyota 4Runner TRD Pro 4x4. It is going to be in the midnight black metallic with the black graphite Softex interior. Checking out our window sticker. As far as the options go, we do have the sliding rear cargo deck, as well as the clear protection hood and door package, carpet mats, and phone charger for a total of $49,040, with gas mileage being 17 city and 20 highway. Coming down here to our wheels, we are riding on the 17-inch TRD Pro alloys. TRD Pro badging up there on your C-pillar, as well as around back. Tow hitch down below in your power sliding rear glass. And coming in, go ahead and press unlock twice to unlock all your doors. Insert your key in the ignition. Twist to start. Now let's check out underneath the hood. Underneath the hood we have the 4-liter dual overhead cam V6 with dual variable valve timing with intelligence. It's going to be producing 270 horsepower, 278 foot-pounds of torque, going through a 5-speed automatic and part-time 4-wheel drive. Now with this being a TRD Pro, you do also have the multi-terrain select and crawl control. So let's go ahead and check out the interior. Now coming in, once again we do have that black graphite Softex interior, TRD embossed in your headrest right there. All your power adjustments down below with your power lumbar. And coming to your door panel, nice padded and stitched upper door panel, padded and stitched armrest with your all automatic windows, power locks, power mirrors over on the dash, as well as your panel dim, windshield wiper de-icer, and your AC outlet. And coming to that steering wheel, it is going to be a 4-spoke leather-wrapped wheel with side bolstering grip extensions, 4-way D-pad for your audio controls, as well as your Bluetooth, voice commands, and your display button for your center screen. Cruise control on a separate stalk. Over on the left, automatic headlights, as well as your fog lights and blinkers. And then over on the right, variable and speed wipers with your rear wiper control. Over here to your audio system, checking out sources, AM, FM, XM, CD, USB, Bluetooth streaming audio, and auxiliary inputs on this model. Going to your apps, of course, your typical Intune app suite with your integrated navigation right there. Destination input can be through an address, a point of interest, and you can designate 6 different presets right there. And going home, a nice little split screen view. Below that, single zone manual climate control with your fan speed, zones, and temperature right there. And then below that, just some storage cubbies with a USB auxiliary 12-volt outlet, as well as cup holders. You have your 4-wheel drive controller right here. And there's going to be that 5-speed automatic with your sport mode and manual shift. Reverse does give you the rear backup camera. You do have your power sliding rear glass and your heated seats. Padded armrest, plenty of room down in there in that center console with a 12-volt. Glove box damped with all your owner's manuals in there. Auto dimming rearview mirror. Mirror and vanity light on your sun visor with a nice little extension. And then up top right here you can see all your specific 4-wheel drive controls with your crawl speed, crawl control, and the multi-terrain select, as well as your locking rear diff, A-track. These are your garage home link, as well as your sliding sunroof right here that is automatic. And then map lights right there. So that about wraps it up for the front seat. Let's check out the rear. Now coming back here, still do have that same Softex interior, same door panel materials also. Front seat set by a 5'9" frame, plenty of room, footroom down below also. Dual seat mat pockets, as well as a 12-volt outlet, 2 USBs over there, and some rear AC vents. Right here to my right, nice padded armrest with cup holders. And then up top, down cornering handle with the coat hooks, dome light, and a nice view of the dash right there. So let's check out the cargo area and we'll wrap up the video. Now coming around back, as you can see the rear window is down, so just go ahead and insert your key right here. Twist and hold to the right and it will power right back up. Now on smart key equipped models, there are just going to be 2 buttons, up and down, and you can just press and hold those for the desired direction. So coming back here, you'd have a 40-20-40 split folding rear seat, as well as that rear sliding cargo deck. That was an option on our window sticker. You do have your 2 outlets over here, 12 volt and a household outlet, JBL subwoofer, and tie downs in all 4 corners to tie down some larger items. Spare tire is located underneath the vehicle. And you can just see the pearlescent flake in that midnight black. It does look very nice. But that about wraps it up for this 2019 Toyota 4Runner TRD Pro. Now if you guys are interested in this vehicle or any of the models out here at Massey Toyota, feel free to contact them. All the information is in the description below. So once again guys, this is Garrison over at Massey, and I will see you in my next video.